Yeshia ewo attention TV so. Yeshia dia na ekwentwa. Na bibi na aba. Tile wo se me yimiti. Na me yimiti so a na me hia nuonyamfo na atena se asinkonwa. Na ye dia no yie papa e dia ba. Ye mama Agradaa ono so yi freedom billboard ye wo krom ya unexpected billboard ya wo bi a she face mask da so ye friend Cheddar bedi akon din kakra me kan no ne din no ye Ghana ni abrante ono de wabobra no e wa abrojo so we president e wo Ghana na mama part evangelist mama part no so adwenkyere kakra o wode ma Ghana for mo de mma ye tie kakra mra na ye mba ba
Yeah, maybe want to be a president. I want to pass a message to him. And to Montage, Yenya Bema Freezer. And didn't say or the Freezer Caesar Jacob Freedom. Yenya Bema now ye ni bebo da kasi no. Or de ye Max face Max no. As I said, the other one pictures abano. Bra. I have seen you are trying to be a president in future. And I have been watching your interviews, some of your interviews, and how you respond to some of questions, and how you respond to some of the allegations that the people put on you. And I'm here to advise you. I've been monitoring you, and what I've seen about you is that you don't have the media backup. Yes, you don't have the media backup, because some of the questions that they even put on you, ask you, bro. Some share interviews are your radio station and TV stations, some of them will not help you for you to achieve your presidential thing that you want. You need the social media gangs, because social media supports me a very strong one. Before you went to the radio station, you would tell them, ask me this, ask me that. This question, don't ask me. Because one of your interview, I was watching you and you went to interview and they were asking you, where did you get your money from? That is a stupidity question. To me, it's a stupidity question. Because where the person got his or her money from does not have anything to do about what he is coming to do to help Ghanaians. Some questions are some of the media people who call interview some of the questions but I've seen say you don't have the media support. Your team is weak. Your team no be president. If you are very serious and you mean business to be a president, Mr. Caesar Freedom, your team no what they are starting to interview is very weak, and it is not going to help you. Because Ghana for some baku toya dreamwa and only a fa. So send a baby wabo bread druno for you to go and sit on the radio for them to ask you any negativity question. When to me and ya no year and on a better Ghana phobia dreamo. So anything that you come out to tell the Ghanaians, nobody will listen to you. And Petim Papa, they will guide you how to talk. What was say nyame shraw when you den what to acquire, but when it comes to the politics, how to talk to gain somebody's mind, my bro. Some of your interviews you are doing and how you are talking, it can never win some people's mind. So I am here to advise you, say, for you to pay more money to the radio stations and the TV station for them to interview you, some people are there say they will interview to disgrace you. You have to get some of the gurus. We have so many bloggers on the media. We have so many very intelligent bloggers on the media. You have to get some of them. So if any negativity thing come to your line, they will stand and talk for you. And yes, something in an habit me you one woe. Because now no say me here, but they were talking about tax and whatever, and how you were responding to the tax, and tasum. And if I am part of your group, or if I'm a you are, I will not respond to it.
Me da sister oje bread twa me se ba akote ne mama part kan. Mama part say eye kwam bedi akon ohia no amembo no na ne wonanam social media ne so interview no granting na bogus. Ohia mo be dirty ways ne. Hey, anu ayedi. We want papa eye prophet love you ha. Mo no so de niam abetutu hie. Whether say Agradaa na eye collect and I say near Cheddar so any number of quack on. And also be a year Ghana for Papa Quaba. Mama, I pass in the way you come.
Oh, they want to cover.
Hey, when you buy us and
Agradaa, no, yeah, in front of Agradaa.
Esiama, Mrs. Esiama.
Oh, Mrs.
Esiama, a great woman.
Or something, Reverend.
Yeah, Reverend Esiama or Buffo. Yeah, need their doors. Papa, for near coffee, you say, Agradaa in the tear wall, a yet Cheddar mambo and Busha. Cheddar and Fanny see baby send your walk canana.
You, yeah, there are the there is there at year for almost saying on Ghana, Muchili. Baby, if you are suffering, baby, I will say piano, or sooner saying, or share so I'm what I like it. Now, share, now I'm quite chilly. It's as I in summer, you peep you are in summer, Cassia, young son, adjune, and to me, as Shemuma. Now, Miss Chia, I thought a man, Michia die of Foyna. My main car, I say, we got cry. If you said you'll be a new or chain of foot.
Okay.
Aye,
we will be I will see it to
be but one say what kind of trona today, today, when you quiet pa, or say, I will find a quiet pa, not so dinia. Say one job of fan of quiet pa, not so dinia. Jimmy the Batan hostel, and to go only say, where will be a 1 year. After now, we're heading near maybe and quay. And tea, as I said, will be a tea a foot. And tea a fruit yeah, Mama Pat. To Cheddar, say, or granted interviews, or go radio stations. Any idea? Almost say only team. On the Casa,
Amano,
Ediamano, only team. On the Buano, man, the name dear or Peso de Puaganano, or where they pushy agenda. Enti or Paso said, interviews now or con, and someone will be someone and someone I don't know ever from.
Yeah, okay.
And someone own to me, young ye. Nema Ghana for Enfa or Makumanya day. Emano, and Tianka be ya. Anka on jai interviews na all corner. Nanka ompe crewa. Ombe to me pushing agenda. A foot ya Mama Pat, to Cheddar. A fair baby no. And your foot to Bonnie.
Okay.
It's answered. It's some good or not say you besides old to me, Yanua, and so on the tomb. But so we name Sadiana. One shall work with ye in some Bianoa, won't me, Yanui. My obisu and I dribbled Bono. What to me and you want some man ya. Often I drink your day. And money see when it's soon out for Bayano. What to me up here? Until a foot to ya or the A to Cheddar. A foot to Papa, Nanso.
Nanso,
that's so. Nanso the same. Young party, ya. Young party, I want to say, okay, Kako baby, say, okay, Kako baby, or baby. That's it, be a day. You to crow and quite as I say, what? But to cross as I say, no. Now, when they are quiet, oh, Kako. Enti me catch me ka acha Cheddar say a foot ya Mama Pat e the etunu ni na and say o employ no
employ Patricia. Emre adwuma ni.
Employ no mle adwuma ni.
Emeka no ho.
Na o meye ne sempa kafo. Say o me na be na be di akire o. Say o ba be no o ba be kasa de ama no. On fa no nka the nkofo be pushing agenda. Na mom ye say o pe asema ka kire onyankopon a na waka gu mframem. Enti the afutua otu ni nyina se on contact no that say no I say because I say ohini omo o be dirty work ohini omo o be go grounds
papa no dirty work no e bi ni ne we Agradaa kan ni nyina wo ho o Cheddar nyoma o be dirty work
sa
dirty work e bi ni ne o be di atem ana say o be ko bronco
so o ko politics ni mu a sanity omo grounds omo dirty work omo konkofo fie ekọ catch omo say afimasi epushi agenda no na so bi so just be bam raise issue bia omo counter no omo ahun say misinformation ni ade omo de omo be gina ni makasa ni ade wow so what nya sa nkofo hu say omo dey from I would say your show be more fear callers.
Yeah.
Oh, I plead beer out baby. Now or defend no the end here. So you we are only job na sila sasi ya callers no dem pe omo. Ade a me pe omo ba de omo phones.
Yeah.
Fear caller beer for we call 5 6 7 8. Ebi ko be 10 phones. Of na juma oye no. Wow, ati say demand bi na yina ma me evangelist. I'm a part. Say there me hu ni say o per se o ni Cheddar couldn't sa woso. Na unim say sika su kakra ho. Sika kakra sha wole bi.
Ni sika nenam.
Why mama good?
Yeah. When is can ni bia ni nyina yesi eti masika chance
Cheddar afutu we de afutu na mum se utu ho na mo a na de na ma party ya kire nyina no se uhia wo mo sa omo mutumi kasa omo a eba na tam de e be diw omo a ba say you mu na yan fa some bi and talowa uhia sam kofo
and say papa Cheddar and so say one so be the president na senya mama party can we need san ye maybe na ye so ye qualified say ye to abama
no say on qualified say enya CV but on qualify what media no
media
but say answer bra ye wo mu ye media. So we do actually so information so ideas so na opesa we ye no e be do actually manipa je want to mu a media and I pa che say e wo mu say onimade mu e wo suppose ko mu say always ka there but say eba media ni mu a oswawo mu wow and na ma part e pesa we de ben o che Cheddar say eba ni media ni mu a ono we de ben oswawo mu to hia omo a mo ye ta kun to say on my part no
omo ye akronfo kakra bibia mu no mo ye kakra mo ani awan kakra
o mo ani awan kakra
ne nyina no
now o de ani ade be famu no anya book nko a se wa hu enti asem a video a ye hwe ye nyina no e kire se de ne we nyina ne se my part bibi kwan or beduma mu kwan
yeah papa o say o hwe videos ni bia mama part say Cheddar interview ni bia o grant no ye bisa me questions ni bia na ne do afu yes charity begin at home Cheddar say bia ono so ni suna na wo de name no say ye bisa no question na ne do afu a wo be di president no kra ye ne o be ya no no wo be hu ye hwe ye betumi akan ya asama kire no
enti to da bia na enye questions ni na ebisa ebi wo ho a say bia wo ye wo say bia wo ye interview ni say ekoye personal asem bia nipa no person beto abonten a ese say ye de ben ye bunu na ye to me ehun say on person or the personal issue be dey e be abonten but say e asem a e fa o man no ho say o man na o ba be disto no say asem bia e fa o man no ho de ye bisa na ni say the bufu so bufu dia and na want to me ma be dey on him want to me be president no because ye na ye de kokroboti no be den ba be you it is a want to me ye someone no a na just want to me dia so ye den enfa ma ye
nti papa sem in case Cheddar free party so me ya be dey tian ka beto ma party we si subia se ne awo
it's say ye hia a Christopher ye hia asofo e say ye hia asofo abem
okay me wonya bi
e say ye hia asofo abem ye hia asofo say omo enkoye ministers ye hia asofo say enkoye vice president even ye hia asofo somebody president ake ho be toyen ye bon pass e benya asofo bia o be fa mene prophet entry
na me ka na part o ya mantem so a Paul amantem so mo di ka
kwan pana na onam so no onkola nim na yansu yentumi nya babi njina
part wo
yentumi enya babi enya Ghana cause ye asofo afirim
Crash
say ba ne say ya mom paye dia and then ya invite asofo na ya bobo paye ama ma ni nyina
ya kasi yengu
akoni sika die bi e ba dia ye afirim
so mo na mo bo man
ye na bo man
this
is the time say ye nya obi na osole akasiti metu asofo nyina fo wa wo ho idea so betumi aye president wa wo idea so betumi minister me manya msom enchechrew sorry
papa kum ni ti se wo pa ko ye na me hu be bi ekosi ye
sa
so fo kum jacha no so ni ti se anko be gina ma president na no so ye hu be bi ekosi ye
kum no only qualities no
sa wo
kum no sa utie na se kum only qualities no
okay
na ba mbisa kum se kum se uko BBC na se yibisa obrofo a o betuniaka
wo si onu do di twinku ane nti wo call the brofo be di na chi because China for na yibisa mu China na mu ka China ye nti onu ne obe ya o ne de wa Canada da
ale kum betuniaka kwa dia ya taya sofo ina echi asofo ina mo sorry
wani ji se obedi o mine so
na wani ji se obedi o mine so no kasa voice out
part is free to
part onye ya santoa ewo ya brem wow sorry na afutuo na order to Cheddar na ye okay enti no afutuo na order to Cheddar na ye na so on man in there the pefe say opeduma mu kwan na mom mane enye kasakwa o mane onyipie ninja say ye kata asofo ye de yehusie ye nya politics ye pe na so ye to me cat ebra do say ye voice out na if you to me jina baby wo we am so mu ana na ya na me papa tantwi ya adwene pa if you tua ye na ye ka
papa me da se o ba enche kra se party be adwuma ni ma ye tua muka evangelist ma party ba wo beto twene ba evangelist ma party me se wo nua na tie no si wo ta we ti papa na emu se na out social media awade ni ye no play se wo pese wo kota Cheddar chi na mu bu o manyi na o mo so anya ba bi asinti esi ade no gi bi ka ni pempe wo se ni pe ekwe ntwa na me ne me papa la bi trans di nkomo makra